I'm John Gibson. This is my son Eric Gibson. My background is an industrial property manager for about 40 years. One of the biggest problems is the internal gutters. And those things are a pain in the neck and very difficult to fix.
John Yule with DFW Urethane came out and suggested we go back in with a 6-inch pipe in the gutter between the buildings. And then we did 3 drain points through the middle of it. And he put the foam right up to it, so it's completely sealed, one coat, monolithic coat, and should have no more leaks. And we've got another 1.5 inch insulation on the building. It's amazing how much cooler it is in here.
We've had some of the heaviest rains that I've seen here this year in East Texas, and I can tell you with glee that my phone hasn't rung once. The tenants are happy, their air conditioners don't work as hard, their utility bill's lower, the warehouse is more comfortable, and the roof doesn't leak. And I don't get any phone calls, so I don't have to worry about it when it's going to rain next time.